In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in Notion. This simple Notion tutorial is perfect for beginners who are looking to organize their projects and milestones effectively. Now let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to create a timeline view database in Notion. To do this, you'll need to open up Notion and navigate to the workspace where you'd like to build your roadmap. Once there, create a new page and choose the option to add a database. Select the timeline view from the list of available views. This view is excellent for visualizing projects over time and will serve as the backbone of your roadmap. It allows you to see a chronological order of your tasks, which can be incredibly helpful for project management. Next, it's time to add your projects and milestones. In the timeline view, you'll want to start populating it with all the key elements of your project. This includes the major projects, tasks, and milestones that need to be tracked. Consider this step as setting the foundation of your roadmap. You want to be thorough to ensure every critical aspect of your project is accounted for. Each project and milestone should be represented by an entry in your timeline. Make sure to include any relevant details or descriptions that will help clarify the purpose and goal of each milestone. Now let's move on to setting start and end dates for each project or milestone. This is an essential step as it adds context to your roadmap and helps visualize your timeline effectively. Click on each entry in your timeline and assign its start and end dates. Be realistic and strategic as you determine these dates, taking into consideration any dependencies or constraints that might impact your timeline. This will help you identify overlaps, bottlenecks, and potential periods of increased activity, allowing you to plan your resources and efforts more efficiently. Finally, you want to update progress as tasks move forward. Your roadmap is a living document that should adapt to changes and progress over time. As you complete tasks or milestones, make sure to update their status as well as adjust any dependent dates accordingly. Notion provides flexibility in updating your timeline, so you can easily shift dates and make changes as needed. Keeping your roadmap updated ensures that your entire team, or anyone involved, understands the current state of the project and what remains to be done. And there you have it, your complete roadmap in Notion. A well-structured roadmap helps in guiding a project from conception to completion, ensuring you're always aligned with your goals and timelines. Regularly revisiting and revising your roadmap will keep everything moving smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Notion. Happy planning!